Level 9, Advanced. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks was a little girl with golden hair who loved to explore. One morning, she wandered far into the forest and found a small, neat cottage. She knocked, but no one answered. So she stepped inside. On the table, she found 3 bowls of porridge. She tasted the first bowl, too hot. She tasted the second, too cold. The third bowl was just right, and she ate every bit of it. Then she saw 3 chairs. The first was too hard. The second too soft. But the third was just right. When she sat in the little chair, however, it broke into pieces. Feeling sleepy, Goldilocks went upstairs and found 3 beds. The first was too hard. The second too soft. And the third was just right. She climbed in and quickly fell asleep. Soon, the 3 bears returned home. They saw the empty porridge bowl, the broken chair, and Goldilocks sleeping in Baby Bear's bed. The bears made a noise, and Goldilocks woke in shock. Frightened, she leapt from the bed and ran out of the cottage, never to return again.